Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 297. If we start with this column here, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 covering here and an 8 covering here, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 3 here, so this is our 9. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 7, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, 7. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 7. 2 here, so 5, 7, and no help here, 2, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 2, 7. Same here, 1, 2, 7, so that means the only place the 8 can be in that box is here. For this row now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 7, 6 here, so 4, 7. So that means the only place the 6 can be in that row is here. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 7. We've got the 2 here, and I don't see any other help. So 4, 5, 7. If we look, that means the only place the 2 can be in that box is here. That 2 makes this our 7, 5. Now with that 5, we can get rid of this 5. With that 7, we can get rid of this 7 and this 7. For this column now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 7, 5. And that 7 makes this our 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1, 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 3, 6 here, so 7, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. That 7 makes this our 4, 5, 7, 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.